If you have bad credit, it's hard to find a place that want to lend you money. Even if you credit not really bad, but you got a high debt to income ratio or a high utilization on your credit cards, you want to consolidate everything, it's hard to find a bank or a credit union that want to mess with you. In this video, I'm going to talk about one place that you could go, that it's a soft pull, by the way, that you could go that can help you out. Let's talk about it. Welcome to Level Up Finance, where we talk about money, mindset on the road to get millions. Now the place I'm talking about is lendingtree, all right? So what you want to do is go on lendingtree, and then you want to pick personal loans, pick that. You know, you could pick, when you want the money. If you're not really in a rush, you could pick within a month, 2 weeks. But if you're in a rush, 48 hours, you put your zip code in, you put your address, put what score you think you are. You could put fair or poor, whatever your score is. When you was born, if you're employed, how much money you make. Are you putting a co-borrower? Put your full name, your email, create a passcode. Check offers anytime with a free upgrade, lendingtree account. I'm straight, but that's cool though. See results and see what it comes up. Checking your offers. Boom, I got two offers from upgrade, which is kind of crazy. 10 G's, $323. Universal credit, $323. Wow, interest rate is really crazy. As you can see, the interest rate is high as hell. Terms is not so bad. I get 5 years, but the interest rate is real high, and they got a crazy fee, which is the loan origination fee. If you get a loan with no loan origination fee, that's great because you're just paying extra money for a loan. You're just giving away money. So instead of getting 10 grand, they would take $800 out of that 10 grand. So I really get $9,200, and they just pocketed 8 grand. And I'm paying interest on that $800 that they took out, which is kind of nuts. But if you need money badly, if you need to consolidate your debt and you can't find no other options, if you need a home loan to improve stuff, if you need cash money to fix your car or something on those type of lines, you got to do what you got to do. And it could be temporary too. It's a strategy how to make that temporary, that pain temporary. And then you finally could get into a real type of loan. The strategy to do that is just get that loan. You pay on it for 6 months. Hopefully you consolidate in your debt. If you consolidate your debt, even better. You take your credit card debt, say it's 10 grand. Boom, you get the 10 grand, pay off your credit card debt. And then after you've been paying your payments for 6 months, you go to your credit union and ask for a real loan. They will see that you've been paying on a loan payment for 6 months, and they'd be like, oh, damn, 24% interest rate or 34% interest rate. We want a piece of that. Let's charge them 18% interest rate, which is way better than that place. And, they probably stretch it out to 6 years. So, you have better terms. So your payment be lower. And in that 6 month time period, you do not want to get any more credit, any more new accounts. If anything, the only thing you want to do is get your credit card limits bigger, go for credit line increases. Hopefully these soft pulls, but don't get no new accounts. Don't try to get any more credit as far as loans or nothing. Just relax for 6 months. You gotta feel that little pain. You gotta feel that pain before you get some pleasure, right? So in those 6 months, don't do anything, stay dormant. And after the 6 months, the first thing you're gonna do is try to get a better loan before you get another credit card or anything. After you get your other loan, a new loan, better terms, better interest rate, better everything, then you can get new credit cards and things of that nature. Edwin, shout out to Edwin. He actually emailed me, had the same issue. He was paying his loan. It was like 24% from a place. And he was asking questions about it. And I steered him a couple of different directions. And he was a member of Navy Federal. Guess what? He had decent credit. He wasn't going out there, you know, being thirsty for credit. So he had months of not looking for anything. I think even a year of not looking for no new credit, whatever. And then he just simply went to Navy Federal, asked for a loan. He got a 10.85% loan, and his payment dropped from $386 all the way down to $236. So, you know, this is definitely doable. So if you have bad credit and you need money, LendingTree is the way to go. You know, it's like a hub. They actually go branch out to many other fintech banks and see who want to mess with you. And then people that mess with you, you're going to see they offer. And then they will actually email you too. You know, some places don't give you automatic offers. They will actually email you with offers, and you could see what's up too, and you can check it out. And if you want to mess with it, you mess with it. The main thing is just getting the money. After you get the money, you do the right things with it. You consolidate your debt, you clean everything up, and then you level up your credit in the meantime, all right? So if you learned something, hopefully you did. Give me one of these. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And talk to you on the next one, all right? Level up.